In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change an HEIC file or convert an HEIC file to JPEG. We need to open that file first. So we're going to go up to File, down to Open, and we're going to go find our little HEIC or HEIF image. Kind of confusing, but either way, it's going to be the same thing. It's probably from an Apple iPhone. Now we click on that and we can click Open. Once we open that image, all we need to do is resave it as a JPEG. And we go up to File, and we actually need to save a copy. So we click Save a Copy, and under Format, we can select JPEG. And when we select that, we can change the name up here at the top. But basically, that's all you have to do. Now we can save that. We can choose the maximum quality, and then hit OK. We go down here to wherever you saved it. In my case, it was my downloads. So I can open up my downloads, and I can see now I have that HEIC file, but I also have a JPEG. Now, why does this even exist? We can tell that the JPEG file is quite a bit larger than the HEIC. It's basically a compressed format for Apple, so that when you send images, it doesn't take up so much data or whatever bandwidth as you're using iMessage and stuff. But the JPEG is effectively the exact same photo. You can see I'm clicking back and forth to preview either. I don't see any noticeable change in quality or color or anything to that degree. And so that is how you can convert HEIC to JPEG here in Photoshop.